Hello, in this video I will show you quiet mode, and previous video I showed you this range and loop mode. Range mode is to create your final simulation when all the properties you already set and they are correct. Loop mode is good to set up your simulation. In this mode it will just infinitely create simulation every time. So this let me set it to dynamic as well. This rock. So okay, and start frame before now. Okay, now as I said before, loop mode is perfect to set up your scene. In loop mode, you can just tweak your parameters here and get new simulation with new parameters every time. But sometimes you don't need to have animation. Maybe you're just interested in just one specific frame. Maybe just you need one still shot. You don't need to animation. You don't want to render your sequence. Just get one render at some specific frame. Maybe this frame happens something important, and this is all you need, just one frame. So in this case, it's better to use this quiet mode. You just turn on quiet mode, and it creates simulation starting from this start frame to the time slider frame. So all simulation created. If you want to create more, you can click somewhere here, and it will calculate the rest of simulation. But let's get back to frame 30. So let's say this is a frame you were interested in. This is your important frame. And now finally you can start tweak your parameters again, changing stuff like substeps and gravity. So every time you will change some property and release the mouse, if it's spinner, Bullet will recalculate all simulation starting from start frame to the time slider position. So you will only see the result at this frame. You won't see any simulation animation, you just will see this final result. And this way you can start changing stuff like, I don't know, maybe basically any property. Let's change here, I don't know, density, make it higher. So you will see that this rock is higher now, and it impacts this column in more aggressive way. Let's increase it even more. So you got the idea. You can change properties and then see the result at this specific frame. And the same works for this column. I can change, let's say here 50 clusters and get this simulation at frame 30, like if it was started with 50 clusters. Let's set it to 30. Okay, you think like I want less fragments and I want them to be bigger. Let's set here 20. So you got the idea. You just need to change your parameters and get the result. 25. Okay, I guess that's it about this quiet mode. And as I said before, if you need illumination, you just can click somewhere here. It will calculate the rest, and you can turn off the quiet mode. So now you have your simulation ready. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.